Hello friends, welcome to Natural Beauty Hacks. Today I am going to do a water slime. Okay, let's start. Take a bottle. Add this. Add some sugar like this and mix it well. Let's add some activator. I made it in home. Add some sugar in hot water and baking soda. Okay, it's now making. Mix it well like this. Keep it in freezer for 1 hour. After keeping in freezer for 1 hour, okay, it's making. Mix it like this for some time, and it can ready. It's making, but some sticky. Keep it in freezer for 5 minutes. After keeping in freezer for 5 minutes, okay, itself some sticky. So this is so nice. Okay, let's remove this out. Okay. Oh, wow. That activator is attaching to this table. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, let's roll it up. Oh, I pick it up. Okay, let's do it again. The bubble. Okay. Let's make bubble. So squeezy like that. Oh, nice. Okay, let's make it again the bubble. Wow, it's going. It seemed like a jelly slime. It's moving. A normal slime will not move. Okay, let's make the bubble. Wow! Small bubble and jelly. Wow! Oh, my hands are so smooth. Okay, how much long it's becoming? Okay, let's make a bubble. Wow! Oh. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye bye. See you in your next video.